Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about how to fix the awaiting endpoint error on Discord. So let's jump right in. Now, this error usually means Discord is having trouble connecting to its servers. The first thing you should do is check whether Discord servers are actually up. To do this, just open any browser and search for Discord server status. Then you want to click on the first official Discord status link. From here, you want to head over to the Discord status page, and if everything is green, you're good. If you see red indicators or a partial outage, the issue might be on Discord side, and you'll just have to wait it out. Now, if the servers look fine, go ahead and restart Discord completely, close the app, and make sure it's also closed in your system tray, and then launch it again. Another helpful trick you can try is double checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause this error, and while you're at it, you want to try disabling any VPN or proxy since those can interfere with Discord's connection as well. Next, you can also try changing your server region. What you want to do is you want to go to your channel settings. Well, but first you want to make sure that you're in the voice channel section. From here, just click on the gear icon, then scroll down. Look for region override, this one. Then from the drop-down menu, switch to a different region. Sometimes routing issues resolve instantly with this change. And and if none of those work, your last resort is to delete Discord and reinstall it. A fresh install can fix corrupted files or stubborn connection issues. But if the problems still continue, don't hesitate to reach out to Discord support for more help. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.